Todd and Tasha from TNT Balls, and we are on our way to Lowe's to get some stuff to do a DIY rat rack that will fit in the space that I have available and open between my other racks. So guys, once we get to Lowe's, we'll take you back along. We are here. Rat rack, do it yourself. Well guys, here we are. That's our lumber for Tasha's little fence thing she's making. This right here is a shelf she's making. But here's my wood. And these is the wood for the rat rack build, guys. Still got to get the chicken wire mesh, 1/4 inch. Get some casters for it, and we're good to go. I'm just waiting on the guy over here to do some cutting for me. That way I ain't got to do it in the cold. What's up, guys? We are on our way home now from Lowe's. We picked up the wood. I got them to pre-cut it all for me, guys. Mama got her stuff to make her a little fence. And she wants to make a shelf to store food and stuff on out. 1x10 and stuff like that. So, cool little projects, guys. And not only that, man, I get to spend time with my family. Like my little boy later on, when I go to start making this rat rack, he'll jump in and he'll help me. So it's a good learning experience for him. Thank you all. When we get, I'll take little pieces and piece it together here. That way you all can see the rat rack build. Do it your own rat rack as we go, guys. All right, guys. It's Todd, and we are back with a little piece of the rat rack we're building. Here's my frame. Here's one. It's got the 1/4 inch spacer, the whole 9 yards in it. Right here's the tools that I'm using right now: staple gun and sheet metal shears. All right, guys. Here's the frames after they're done. You got a few options you can do. This is why you can box it all out. Have a food area, a water area here. Or if you don't want to go all out, you ain't even got to use a screw, because basically all you're doing is just giving something for the food to rest on. See, just stay put to it. Haven't used no screw there on that one. Or you could go all the way open with it. Here's my rails. Got some caster wheels for it. But here's the totes, guys. They're not a real big one, but guys, they're going to work great. I'm using a 2x4 frame with 2x2 for my wire, and this is like 3/4 of an inch or something like that. Honestly, guys, it was a yardstick that my wife picked up at Dollar General. I stole 4 of them and made them rails. Because if you can see here, man, they fit perfect. With a little over the lip. Just great, guys. 17 inches long is perfect. Alright, guys, give you a little bit on the measurements here. Let me see. Alright. Don't mind the chicken scratch, guys. If I'm not mistaken. This one is 14.5 inches long, and yeah, 14.5 inches this way, 12.5 inches this way. But if you do that like I did mine, you must use this as your outside board. Just figured I'd take you guys along. Honestly, guys, I got everything at Lowe's. They did most of my cutting for me. They cut my 2x4s and they cut most of my 2x2s for me. But like I said, I made my 2x4s 5 foot long. That way I could get 6 totes. with the little shelf on top to hold my watering system. Keep an eye out. I am going to try a watering system that I seen on somebody else's channel. I will make sure they get their credit. I'll show you once it's all done, guys. Alright, guys. We are here now. Well, guys, here is the finished product. I left enough space up here, that way I could either add 2 more bins or a couple shelves or something. What are you doing, dog? Blondie said. Good girl. Like I was saying, guys, so I could either add a couple shelves or I can make a, like I said, something here to put my water bins on. But guys, this is where it's going. Alright, guys, so here's pretty much your setup. Water bottle, 1/4 inch mesh. Babies, you got 4. I don't know what these are yet, guys. I haven't sexed them. I just put them in there. Well, there it is, guys. That's where I wanted to fit it at. If I situate this, I could probably get 1 more in here. But not bad. I'm really satisfied with it. Well, guys, it's Todd here with you with TNT Balls. If you are not a subscriber, please smash that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Leave me your comments on this, guys. I got the totes from Amazon. Everything else, you see where I got it from. If you guys are not a USARK member, please go do it. I'll leave the link down below. Well, guys, until the next one, it's Todd. We love you. We'll see you later.